Exercise 5.3, question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. So from the first question, it is clear that the second term is given. Second term is, we can take A2 is the second term. Second term is 14. And the third term is 18. That means A3 is equal to 18. We have to find the sum of first 51 terms. We have to find S51. That means sum of first 51 terms. That is the thing we have to find. So here we have second term and third term. Second term is 14 and third term is 18. Now we know the standard form of second term. Second term standard form is what? A2. That means A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So A2 standard form is A plus D is equal to 14. That you can take it as equation number 1. And A3 also given. A3 is 18. What is the standard form of A3? A3 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That means A plus 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2D is equal to 18. So that you can take it as equation number 2. Now we can consider equation number 1 and equation number 2. We can solve these two equations and you can find the value of A and D. Now in order to find that, you can minus equation 1 from equation number 2. So equation number 2 minus equation number 1, left side minus, right side minus. So left side of equation number 2 is A plus 2D minus left side of equation number 1 is A plus D is equal to right side of equation number 2 is 18 minus right side of equation number 1 is 14. So now we will open the bracket. A plus 2D minus into A minus into D minus D is equal to 18 minus 14. You will get 4. Now A minus A will cancel out. 2D minus D is D. So you will get the value of D is equal to 4. Now we can keep the value of D in any one of the equation. So here we are going to give this value in equation number 1. Put in equation 1. So we are going to give this value in equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A plus D is equal to 14. So in place of D you can give 4. A plus 4 is equal to 14. That means A is equal to 14. This 4 will go that side. It will become minus 4. So you will get 14 minus 4 is 10. That means the value of A is 10 and the common difference D is equal to 4. Now what we have to find? We have to find S51. That means sum of first 51 terms. S51 we have to find. So we know the formula. Sum of n terms of an AP is n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So you can use the formula and keep the values. So n is 51. 51 by 2 into 2A. 2 into A is, just now we found 10 plus n minus 1. 51 minus 1 into D. Common difference also we found 4. Now you can do the simplification. 51 divided by 2. 2 into 10, 20 plus 51 minus 1 is 50. 50 into 4. So we will get 51 by 2 into 20 plus 54s are 200. So you will get 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20, 220. Now 2 and 220 we can cut. So you will get 110. So now 51 into 110. What is the value of 51 into 110? You will get, when you multiply, you will get 5610. 5610. That means sum of first 51 terms is 5610. A is 10, D is